Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my July BOXYCHARM unboxing. It is not going to be a try-on style. I'm trying to pre-film right now, so it's just going to be an unboxing. I did film this eye look and a 5 first impressions on this face makeup, so if you want to see those, they will be coming up next. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you want to see what I got in my BOXYCHARM, just keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the box. BOXYCHARM is like one thing I look forward to every single month. I get so excited. You get such great products. I think it's so worth your money. So this is the little card it came with, and the theme is road trippin'. It folds out and it shows you all of the products that you received, their prices, and a little description about them. On the back right here, you have a Wander Beauty coupon for 20% off. You use Wander Charm 07. You get 20% off, and then there is a Farmacy 20% off coupon as well, and you use the code CHARM20. So the first thing in my box that I actually used yesterday when I got the box, this is the Farmacy Bright On Mask. So it says, watch magic happen as you massage this vitamin C clay mask onto your skin, turning from purple to green. The Farmacy Bright On Mask removes impurities and buildup while improving your skin's brightness, texture, and tone. This retails for $38 and it is full size. I loved the way this felt. I love clay masks. Those are some of my most favorite masks that I have are clay masks. I just feel like they really clean my skin. It felt so good on my skin, and then after I washed it off, my skin felt really firm and just very clean. It has a like essential oils smell to it. Like if you walked into like a massage therapist's office, that's what it would smell like. I really liked this already. With face masks, I can usually tell right away, unless it's going to break me out down the road, if I'm going to like them, and I can tell that I already like this. The next thing in this box is this Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I love the packaging for this. I think it's so cool and different. This retails for $24 and it is full size. Sorry about my voice. I've been sick for weeks. I'm really sorry. It's like so annoying. I sound ridiculous, but... So it says this award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara. That's weird. Black and glossy. Mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unleashed mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. That's cool that it conditions and strengthens your lashes. My lashes are crap, so maybe this will be good for me. I really love this packaging. I think it's so cute and just kind of different. The wand is curved. It looks pretty standard. These probably all will be featured in upcoming videos, first impressions videos, stuff like that. So you will see these in action. So the next item in my box, this is Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. I have the shade Desert Rose. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very sleek. I like it. It kind of is a little bulky. That's what the shade looks like. Oh, that's pretty. And then you open it up. Maybe. You just lift this up and there is a brush in there, which feels awful. But it says, designated to work for all skin types, this luminous, paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. This retails for $11.99 and it is full size. I will swatch this because this looks like my kind of blush. Yeah, I really like. Ooh, it's soft. That looks like a perfect blush shade for me. I think I'm really gonna like that shade. We'll see how it goes on the face and how it wears throughout the day. I really like that shade. I like when I get good. The last 2 blushes I've gotten have been like perfect shades for me. I am scared when they show blushes and there's like a bright like bubblegum pink blush and I'm like, please do not give me that. Okay, the next thing in this box is this Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. That's weird. So this retails for $26 and it is full size. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. Okay, so this is the brush on one end. That does look like a pretty decent brush. I hate when you get like really thick brushes. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. And then on this side, oh, weird. Okay, so I unscrewed it and you like dip your brush into this cream, into this, and it's like a pomade. So you like dip your brush into there to get the product. This would be perfect for like traveling. How like compact is that? You have your pomade cream and then you have your brush right here and a cap, and then it's just like you grab it and go. That's a cool idea. That packaging is spot on. The last thing in the box, which I'm really excited about, this is Crown Brush Fuego Eyeshadow Collection. This retails for $30 and it is full size. So let's see what this bad boy looks like. This is what it looks like, matte black packaging. It feels really nice. And these are the shades. They're really pretty. I mean, they're just like any neutral, warm toned. This would be a really good go-to palette. So it says, made up of rich, warm toned shades, this creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for all your glam goals. Okay, so let's swatch some of these. Okay, I'm going to swatch the bottom row. Ooh, they feel nice. Yeah, they feel really creamy. Okay, I'll swatch these 4. I like the colors. I wish I could do that better. The shimmer shades are pretty. Okay, so that's what the swatches look like. This box retails for about $130, which is so crazy. I know I say it every time. You pay $21 a month. You get 4, 5, sometimes 6 high-end products shipped to your house every single month for $21. The box always retails for over $100 for all the products that are inside it. This is perfect if you're trying to grow your collection. When I first started out, BOXYCHARM was how I started trying high-end products, how I built my collection up, how I was able to try these brands that I would maybe have never tried before, and I was able to try them at a really decent price. So I love BOXYCHARM. Even if you don't like most of the items in your box, 1 or 2 items is worth more than the box was worth. So it's kind of a win-win situation. You can also give away the makeup that you don't like, give it as gifts, give it to your mom, give it to your sister, give it to your brother, whoever wants it. So that was July's BOXYCHARM unboxing. Let me know down below what products you got in your box. I know there's variations, I think, in every single box. So let me know what you got down below. What are you most excited about? I kind of saw something. I think it said that next month we're supposed to be getting Smashbox and Laura Lee Los Angeles, which is crazy. I'm not sure if those are confirmed or not, but that was a spoiler that I saw, which I'm pretty excited about if it is. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post 3 videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.